Hey everybody, Falter Rash. Welcome back to 365 Days of Irish Tenor Banjo Tunes. Today we're going to be calling day 317. And if you're watching this on the day that's coming out, you're probably wondering if there's some sort of time warp or something. What it is I played, Maggie Finnegan's on day 295, and then I went ahead and I played it again on 317 because I forgot to cross it off. And that's why I've been off by one for quite a while. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to play this tune today and we're going to call it 317 and slide it right on in there so that everything works out properly. It's number 68 in the Banjo Buddies Big Book of 365 Irish tunes. It is called the Frieze Breeches and it is in D Mixolydian. So quite a long tune, so we'll see how we do with it. And if we just do a basic version as written in the Banjo Buddy book, or if we try and do some more ornamentation. I've got two tunes to play today, so we'll see. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's the first time I actually made it through the whole thing. Little slight pauses trying to figure out where I was for a second, but I'm going to call that good enough because I don't want to spend all day on this tune. And you know, when they're so long, you finally get the last part nailed and then you make a mistake at the beginning or whatever, you know, it's kind of tough. But anyways, that's it for today for this sort of retake, if you will, replacing number 317 with this tune. And that's it for all today, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Slán.